Hello, my name's Julia Reeves. I'm based in Leicester and I specialise in multisensory and playful learning. I use a lot of Lego Serious Play. I find it's a method that's really inclusive. It particularly plays to the strengths of neurodiverse learners, and it's excellent for social connection.
I've really enjoyed the interactiveness and the fact that I can use my hands and I can just put pieces together and come up with something that means something even though I wasn't even thinking about it. I've gained the subconscious ability to build things, that you can use this to build discussions, to build a great understanding, what underpinning knowledge the students have, and you can use that to build more onto it. And I don't use that pun intended, but you can build on from something based on what you've found from them building things together, and you can talk about it, and it's a lot more open than someone just saying, what does this mean? You can explain it.
Lego Serious Play is a method that was invented within the Lego group around 20 years ago. It was initially designed to work in businesses for strategic planning, but now it's used quite widely in a variety of sectors, but particularly in education. It lends itself really well to exploratory learning, to reflection, to developing of empathy and listening skills.
I think the thing that I enjoyed most is kind of there was a degree of freedom to it, so it wasn't there wasn't a kind of direct thing to follow, but at the same time the framework around it allowed us kind of explore at our own pace and our own space, but generally come out with a set of things we've learned. I think the main thing I would take away is making some of these abstract things practical but still abstract, and being able to kind of turn that into a process that can be really helpful for people to build narratives and meaning into the things that they're doing. Coming to this, I'm normally very cynical about kind of learning development types things. I've been to far too many that are somebody standing with a PowerPoint, so I came into it with that point of view, and I was very pleasantly surprised. It wasn't that, it was very much a kind of a really interesting, vibrant space where we did learn a lot, and I think it's a really useful kind of activity. I would recommend it to anyone.
So today's session was all about inclusive learning, and Lego Serious Play as a method has quite an affinity with inclusive learning because it's a process where everyone has a voice and it's very accessible. So today's session was really designed to open up a conversation about inclusive learning with individuals who work across the university in lots of different subject areas and across professional services and academic staff. So after some background information, they did some warm-up activities to get used to the process and get them talking. Then they actually investigated the topic of inclusive learning by building models and sharing stories about the models.
The session was playful, which is always quite a good and exciting area to be in, particularly in HE, and just eliciting the conversations that people have based on not only the insights that you gain from play and serious play, but the insights from just sitting on the table and explaining things. I think the most important aspect of playfulness and serious play within Lego is the stories that it creates and the connections that it creates with the people. So to actually then talk through and explain your models is probably much more powerful than just building the models themselves. And then other people will see insights into those models that you maybe don't always recognise in yourself, and then suddenly it's like, oh gosh, actually, yeah, that may be something subconsciously that I'm thinking. And those conversations would never have happened if you just sat down with somebody and said, tell me about this, tell me about that. So yeah, it's always good, and it's always good to spend time with colleagues that have self-selected to want to learn and want to be better educators, or want to just expand their knowledge of different pedagogies.